Hey everyone, welcome back to my game dev journey. In my last devlog, I shared the process of creating my first simple game, which taught me a lot. Now I am back with another project, and this time I challenged myself to create a Flappy Bird clone in just 2 days, without following any tutorials. Let's dive into the process and see how it all came together. I started by getting the bird to flap. With a simple script, I made the bird go up when you click, added a flap animation, and applied gravity so it is constantly falling. To make the movement feel more natural, I added rotation. The bird tilts upward when it ascends and downward when it descends. Instead of pipes like in the original Flappy Bird, I used columns of bricks and wooden boxes. These spawn off screen and move from right to left. For scoring, I added an apple on top of each column. When the bird collides with an apple, it is collected and the score increases. To keep the bird from flying off the screen, I placed spikes at the top as a barrier. I added a score tracker to display how many apples the bird has collected. To ramp up the challenge, I implemented a difficulty timer that speeds up the obstacles every 10 seconds. I experimented with animating the spikes but decided against it because it didn't feel right. To give the illusion of forward movement, I made the floor move along with the obstacles. I also added a trail effect to the bird that appears when it flaps upward and made the bird die upon collision with an obstacle, and that wrapped up the first day. On day 2, I focused on creating a parallax background. After some effort, I got it working, though there is still a bit of jittering, possibly an issue with Godot. Next, I added a start screen where the game is paused. The whole scene turns gray except for the bird, which stay in color. To add more life to the game, I introduced sound effects and background music. I also implemented a game over screen, and finally I added a basic high score system and polished up the game with some final touches. Now the game is live on itch.io and you can play it. And that's it for this devlog. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the game. Any feedback is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy coding!